Come on, be honest. Without checking, can you tell me about every tracking script, cookie, marketing tool, embedded videos, analytical platforms, and other third-party services that are running on your website right now? We're all guilty of this. Websites are built over time and we add in a plugin, add in a tool. This looks really funky. This is going to help the business or the client. I just heard about this new marketing tool and there's a really cool YouTube video we need to put on the hero banner. And what about live chats? They're all the rage right now. Many months and many years later, a lot of people forget about what was actually running in the back end of their website, especially when it comes to cookies and what's being collected and shared. Now, that doesn't mean a lot of this technology is bad, especially if it provides enormous value. But isn't it better to be transparent and have some knowledge or visibility of what's happening? Because that then means that we and the user can make better informed decisions, especially when it comes to denying or accepting cookies on your website. So I've got a website and I've got plugins in there, and I know some of them are loading in some forms. I've got YouTube, I've got some tracking, I've got some chatbots. I know that WooCommerce is going to be adding things in for the mini carts and user logins. And if I had a translate plugin in here, it's probably going to start remembering that. And what about your currency selections? Now, I like using the CookieBot plugin by Usercentrics because I can automate my scanning. Did you know how many cookies are loaded on your website when you run the CookieBot scan and it starts to give you back all of this information? Are you suddenly going to go, but I thought I removed that plugin, or I have removed it, but why is this cookie still present? This is going to give me a central overview of what's happening, especially if you are looking after a business's website. Because if that business gets asked to provide evidence of what they're collecting or what they're doing with it, or have they respected the user's decision to deny, you need to be able to evidence that, because there are so many privacy laws around the world right now and even more coming along, and you got to make sure that the cookie banner on your website handles them. There's nothing wrong with analytical plugins or marketing tools or personalizing a website, just as long as you understand what's running on your website and you can be transparent with visitors as your website grows.